come up on this call, and the pressures and temperatures are perfect. The line temperature is right where it should be. It's R22. Everything is operable. But when I put the system into cooling, exactly, again, line temperature out here at the heat pump's condenser is correct, and the pressures for cooling. But when you go inside and measure the actual air temperature coming out of the register, supply registers, got about 90 degrees. What could it be, folks? Well, when you have a T4, T6 thermostat, you don't use W, you use W2. Because if you use W, W is for a gas furnace, and when you turn on cooling, it's going to energize the heat strips. Just a lesson learned, folks. One wire makes all the difference. Master your 24-volt control.